The world's largest furniture chain is getting bigger in America, and 6 different cities are about to get a brand new IKEA. Stick with me, because one of these is a state's very first IKEA ever, ending a road trip locals have made for years. For context, IKEA has more than 500 stores worldwide. Fewer than 100 of them are in all of North America. So a single new location can save shoppers a multi-hour drive. The interim chief executive says the goal is to make IKEA more affordable, accessible, and sustainable. And the chain says it performed well in 2025 by helping shoppers keep more cash in their wallets. And the first city on the list is Fort Collins, Colorado. This 64,000 square foot store is taking over a former adventure park, and the announcement actually surprised the city, which found out from IKEA's press release like everyone else. It should open in the winter of 2027. Our second city is Sarasota, Florida. At roughly 48,000 square feet in the University Town Center, this one will offer personalized design consultations to help you plan a room. And after an earlier delay, it is now expected to open in winter 2027. So if you are a Florida shopper who has been waiting, timeline has slipped, but it is still very much on the way. Third on the list is Gurnee, Illinois. IKEA is testing a smaller, more convenient format here at Gurnee Mills Mall, about 40 miles from the nearest store across the Wisconsin border, and it is expected to open in the fall of 2026. Number 4 is the big one I teased, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Right now, Tulsa residents have to drive all the way to Texas or Kansas City for IKEA. But this fall, the chain is opening its very first Oklahoma store in a former Belk at the Tulsa Hills Shopping Center. Our fifth city is Buffalo, New York. This 65,000 square foot store opens in winter 2027 on the lower level of a former Sears at the Walden Galleria, and the interim chief executive says it will stock 3,250 items available for immediate pickup. And the sixth city is Madison, Wisconsin. Opening this fall in a former Bed Bath & Beyond, this 54,000 square foot location will have more than 5,000 products on display, plus a full Swedish deli. It is a great example of IKEA doing something we are seeing more and more, taking over the empty big box space left behind by a chain that closed and turning it into a genuine destination. On top of those 6 full stores, IKEA is also rolling out something smaller called Plan and Order Points. These compact spots let you sit down with staff to design a kitchen or a closet and place an order for delivery or pickup, instead of walking a giant warehouse, and new ones just opened across 4 different states this year. It is basically IKEA meeting you halfway, bringing the design help and ordering to your town even when a full store is not practical there. The whole strategy is about reaching shoppers in places that could never support a full warehouse-sized store. In total, IKEA announced 10 new U.S. store openings for 2026, including that first Oklahoma location and its first-ever city center store in Los Angeles, all part of a multi-billion-dollar bet on American growth. And let us be honest about why an IKEA opening is genuinely exciting news for a city. It is not just the affordable furniture, it is the whole experience, including the in-store restaurant serving Swedish meatballs and pancakes with lingonberry jam, which turns an ordinary shopping trip into a full day out for the whole family. That combination of low prices and a fun in-store experience is a big part of how IKEA has kept customers loyal, even through tough economic stretches. So the bottom line is that if you live in or near one of these 6 cities, your next furniture run just got a whole lot shorter. And with 10 new stores on the way this year alone, plus a multi-billion-dollar investment behind the whole push, there is a real chance your city could be the next one to land on IKEA's list.